No, she's staring at you. Hi guys, good afternoon. Happy Friday. It's currently 2:37 ng hapon. So we are going to pick up Ate Paris now. Tapos dadalhin namin siya sa very first na jiu-jitsu. What was that, Bob? How do you call it? Private class. So my class at Ate Paris, like yung pinupuntahan niya na normal class, at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. But from 3:10, meron siyang private class. She's just getting ready for the competition next month. So ang ating Ate Paris ay pinasali na naman ang kanilang sa jiu-jitsu state competition next month. So ayan, nakahanda lang sa Ate Paris natin. So since ngayong gabi ay kikitain natin yung pinsan ko na kakapanganak lang. We are very excited to see the newest addition to the family. She's a baby girl, and I think she's already 1 month old now, maybe? Is it 1 month, Bob?
No.
Or 3 weeks. Something like that.
Less than a month.
Nag-ano muna kami, parang hinayaan muna namin sila na mag-settle down, ganun, kasi alam ko yun, like, you know, new parents and mag-ano muna, parang sila lang muna ba. So ngayon lang kami nakitain sila, and then they said they're available, so we're going to see them tonight sa Mount Gravatt shops restaurant doon. So ang ating baby Celine ay also nasa school today, so kaya si mami nyo ay naligo, nakapag-ready, at tingnan nyo na mukhang tao si mami nyo. I'm not sure kung kita nyo yung outfit natin dyan, but ayan. Kasi maginaw, kaya ako ng jeans ako. This jeans is from Zara, and I love this top. This is like silk. At sobrang dami niyang mga print ganyan, oh. This is from Oraton, which is an amazing brand. Love it. And then, while pupunta kami doon ngayon sa pag-pick up kay Ate Paris tsaka yung jiu-jitsu, ay ipopost din natin yung mga na-ibenta natin online. So this, oh god, it's beautiful. Look, this sparkly silver glitters na Miu Miu boots. Yeah, this is going to New Zealand. And then meron tayong dalawang Coach bags dito na this one, itong maliit na to, Pinay yung bumili nito, and she's based in Melbourne. So hello CC if you're watching. Ayan. So very cute, diba? I love this size. Pang ano lang ba? Pang girly girl. That's the bag. Diba? Thank you CC for purchasing. Bongga talaga eh. Salamat sa support. And then there's another Coach bag. This is going to Byron Bay. But, ano to siya? Sa online, ito niya binili. Look! This is also a different style. So, we currently have a lot of Coach handbags online, guys. So, if you are looking for one, nandito kayo sa Australia or kahit sa ibang bansa kayo, you can still buy kasi you just need to, pay for the postage, diba? But I'm more than happy to post. Kahit nasa lupalop kayo ng mundo, try lang. But yeah, sobrang ganda ng ating mga Coach handbags, guys. Ano ko lang sa inyo. Ito, hindi ko pa to sila na-picturean. So, nililinisan ko pa lang sila kasi bagong stock to, kakarating lang. We have this denim. Diba? Oh. Tapos, meron tayo nito. Brown naman siya. Ayan. Nakili-kili din. Basta marami kayong mapagpipilian, guys. So, yung ating link sa ating online store is nasa description box below. So, huwag niyong kalimutan i-check ang ating mga benta, guys. Benta bells. Para makabili si mami ng isang sakong bigas. Anyways, my bag for today. Like that. Diba? Sobrang cute. It's my outfit, my full look for today. Wala pala itong bulsa sa ang gilid. Yeah, that's the look. And we're gonna go now kasi malay tayo. Alam niyo ba, matatapos Ate Paris ng school at 3. Tapos 3:10 yung kanyang private class ng jiu-jitsu. So we only have like 10 minutes window from school papunta doon. Kami na talaga. Lilipad. So ito siya. Ipopost ko mamaya pag nasa jiu-jitsu class na siya. Ando naman si Daddy Mike mag-ano sa kanya. Keep an eye sa kanya. Kasi mami niyo kailangan mag-post. Buhay ng isang seller. Say hi sa here. What's inside that?
Paris is jiu-jitsu stuff. Have you seen my after shows? I put them away today somewhere.
No, I haven't seen it. Kaya si Daddy Mike naka-North Face jacket na siya guys kasi gumiginaw na ngayon sa sa Brisbane. Gumiginaw na siya guys kaya nga kanina nag-skirt ako. Agoy, skirt na manggahi. Nag-tingle guys kay tugnaw na kaayo. I took Louie for a walk earlier today. Sobrang ginaw na niya. Hindi pwede, hindi maaari. Okay, we'll see you shortly. Goodness guys, umuulan pala. Hala. Akala ko madilim lang. Sabi ni Daddy, I gives him like Melbourne feels.
That wavelength.
Oh, I really alak ko. Hala, ang suot ko pa naman guys sa aking Hermes sandals guys. Ito na talaga ang sabi ko. Itong mga ganitong mga sandals ay pang lang, pang tawag ito yung hindi umuulan na lugar. Kasi yung leather ay just colored ay. I use them for the thing that it just did here. I use them for the inscription.
All of them?
No, this one is for drinking. I'll put this okay.
Awesome. Tell me about it in the phone. We're gonna go because we're going private.
Hello. Hi, Tiki. Smells like Amy.
What happened?
What?
Why are you talking like that?
What?
Oh, give me my kiss.
I'm assuming your jacket and stuff's in here, Auntie?
Yeah.
Alright, mommy.
I made this for the baby.
Oh, cute. Is that cherry?
Yeah, and mango and a blueberry.
A few moments later.
Time check tayo guys. It's 4:24 ng hapon.
God, Lotto, wouldn't it be nice?
So, kakasap ko lang dito sa petrol station kasi maglalagay tayo ng petrol guys. So, tapos na tayo sa ating post office. Nakapunta na rin ako ng ATM. Sobrang dami ko lang nagawa. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog kasi alam niyo ba, sobrang maulan sa labas. Okay. Okay. Oh God. Dito guys kasi walang gasoline sa Australia. Tamang sailing sikat lang. Tapos nagplansa pa ako ng ating buhok. No waste of time. So after nito, punta tayo na, babalik tayo doon sa dito sa Plaza Ate Paris. We're going to pick them up. Ayan, so full tank tayo guys. Para hindi tayo pabalik-balik. Okay, so show you. Ayan, $110 guys, 57.93 liters. Okay. Oh, where's my phone? Hi, Jay. Hi sa akong vlog. Wala, naamoy ka itong kuan, Jay? Sige. Nandito ako ngayon sa Pia's Cafe, guys. Bili tayo ng something na makakain. May spaghetti kasi sila dito, guys, na may chicken. Jay, naamoy ka itong spaghetti na ay...
We can have Yoshi with the baby.
Yiling! Did you have a good day? Did you have a good day at school?
Mama, where are we going?
Buti na lang, guys. So, ito yung pinili niya suotin kanina, boots. Kasi umulan. Uy! Napalong ang
Where are we
suka.
going now?
Go home, change, baba.
I'm gonna take long.
No, we have to be there at 7:30. So, we will leave home around 6:40. Yay, my princess! You look so beautiful! Big girl!
I'm getting bigger.
You are. So, malapit na siyang mag 7 o'clock, guys. Yeah, andito pa rin kami sa bahay. So, change plan tayo. Kasi, wait a minute. So, yeah, mag-change plan tayo kasi dapat sana lalabas kami. So, sa restaurant kami maghahapunan. But, tumawag ako kay Joy before. Sabi ko sa kanya, kasi alam ko naman, guys, having like a little one, mahirap talaga na kasi umuulan sa labas, maginaw, and kaya tinawagan ko siya, sabi ko, kung gusto mo, dyan na lang tayo sa bahay. Hindi na lang kayo lalabas, kami na lang yung pupunta dyan. So, sabi niya, okay ate, so, doon na lang kami punta straight sa bahay nila, tapos mag-Uber Eats na lang siguro kami pagdating noon. Instead of, magkikita sa labas. Kasi, mahirap na ba? And, pakita ko sa inyo yung regalo ko sa, tawag dito sa, actually, regalo ko sa bagong baby. So, ayan. Meron tayong, tignan nyo guys. Nakalimutan ko na kung gano'ng kaliit yung mga bata. It's very small. Tignan nyo. But, napaka-cute kasi meron tayong ganyan. Ladybird. Napakaliit. Grabe. Meron tayong dress. Ganyan. Harapan. Ayan, meron din siyang ladybird. And then, ito. Hala, andun nakita ko yung isa nito kasi meron tong hot pink na isa din. Tingnan nyo, napakaliit. Singlet siya, guys. Alam niyo yung bumiginaw na ngayon pag ilalim ng bata. Huh?
Sorry?
How tiny? And then, look at this. Oh, baby. Look at this, it's so cute. Oh.
I need this for every time you walk past.
Ayan. And then, this, Bob, look at this. It's so cute. Luxury Baby Australia. Oh,
Cute.
napaka-cute. Puppy. Oh, thank you, Daddy. Diba? 2 pairs of, ganyan. Magagamit to ng baby. Yan lang. Put it in the bag here. It's 40 minutes, Daddy. Drive. Alright, girls, turn the TV off, anak.
You look right.
Thank you, Daddy. You like my jacket?
Yeah. Do you like mine? By the way, guys, On God, it's my friend's brand.
Tell them, Daddy. What your
On
friend's
God,
brand.
check it. See? On God for all you good Christian people out there.
Yeah. Yung friend niya, gumawa ng sariling kumpanya. Yan yung
You can check it out at www.ongod.com.au.
Diba? May pa, Daddy, may pa endorsement.
Hats. You got these, my favorite shirts. Activewear. All of it. Oh, my little Leanie Weenie got a pooper in the toilet today.
Woohoo! Good girl.
Good girl. Look at that. That's yours, not mine. Now put that on me. Kiss. Kiss. Mwah.
Here it is. Anak, what are you doing lang lang? Oh, massage chair.
That's my place. As long as your dad doesn't come out and beat the shit out of me or something.
Oh, no way.
Auntie, don't you want to catch her?
Oh my god, look at the baby.
You want to see baby?
What a baby. Oh, no.
Oh, that's okay.
Is it okay?
Nat said
No, that's a talent.
he's charging. She's hungry. She just.
Did you guys eat it?
Little one. She's smaller than this last week. She grew. She was smaller.
Look at the head.
It's so cute.
What do you want to watch?
What's that?
Oh my god, it's so
What do you want to watch, Dad?
baby. Like, ayaw, this is it.
Oh, yeah, sorry. You want me to film?
It's okay.
Yeah.
I'm so light.
Aww.
I'm your nana.
Your volcano.
Look at this. Look at this.
Your volcano.
A volcano?
Yes.
What volcano?
Oh my god.
Lucky.
Now you guys are going to have another sibling.
Look at this.
There's your cousin.
Look, she's looking at you.
Of course.
No, she's staring at you. What's that? Oh my god, such a cute. Don't cry. Look at Auntie Celine. She's got what do you call the other crown?
Lenny, your cousin.
I brought this solution.
Yeah, she can't hold it. Yeah, I know.
Ati, what do you think of your cousin?
Can I try? Can I try? I'm gonna give a toy to her.
Yes. Yeah. She can't see us yet, Mama.
Yeah.
She's only a month old. How old is she now, Joy?
Told you.
It's almost like a week. I thought it's a month already.
No, not yet.
Oh no, she definitely can see it. But no, but she's been like this.
Yeah, she's like looking around. She's starting to apparently, according to the midwife on
Oh
Monday.
really? Oh my god. Okay. Mommy, give me the milk, mommy. She's so cute.
Like, they don't even have, like, the wraps on the wall.
Is that happening, Joy? Wait,
The wrap pickle rolls? Boneless lemon chicken. Deep fried. Yeah.
big ito. Uy, ganagan mga daw sa.
Excuse me.
Sabi ko sa.
Nagkatunog na siya.
This is very fucking
Later after she drinks.
Chinese. I'm just gonna put sweet and sour.
Very good.
David, do you want noodles or right? Are you? I'm pretty sure they just bought that in December last year.
I got the one ton with barbecue.
I put sweet and sour combination.
Hey Mike, I think Ate wants another baby.
Uy!
This is like, wait, don't be too obvious.
Basta, missing much longer than I'm gonna have one.
Pinagod na akong 1 month na, Joy.
No, not yet. 2 weeks pa lang.
Hindi kasi sila, I told Mike na, magulat ka nga, kanang, ikuha sa sila ka na, magsettle sa sila ba, dito, pataka-taka na, tag-adit na dito na yun. Ulatan sa natong kuhan nila, matilawan sa nila.
Yeah.
Kuhan.
Well, that was our plan. We weren't gonna get visitors for a month.
Yeah.
We went because like we wanted to bond. Yeah, we went to bond with her first and then, you know, settle down. But there's too many families going on.
Yeah, that's why like I told him Kuya Mike, we're not gonna kuhan sa later na pag agay siya may gauna-una mo kayo siya nga nag-message siya si Joby sa inyo kaya kita gagulat.
We got bored as well.
Yeah, and I think
Thank you, Papa.
but I think last week was pretty early because like I did get pretty overwhelmed.
No, wala ta ka picture na mata. Bye to baby Nathan.
I'm gonna cheer you guys on for the dead.
Come say goodbye to your cousin.
Bunny. Yes, baby. No more chocolate, sweetie. I gave you enough. It's 11:30 na ng gabi. Yung mga kids ay tulog agad, guys. Tulogin sila sa sasakyan. Pag-move namin dito sa taas, start na sila sa bed. Actually, very sleepy now too. So good seeing my cousin's baby, guys. Oh my god, she's so cute. Ah, the cutest. Alam niyo yung amoy ng baby, guys? Nakaka-addict. Sarap lang amoy-amoyin, parang wak-wak. Parang balbal. Anyways, I'll just need to clean my face, guys, and then I'll go to bed myself. But I want to do a quick shout out before natin end yung vlog. Alam niyo ba? It's been a week na rin siguro na hindi ako nag-vlog, guys. Pahinga ako sa pag-vlog, but I still have like videos na ina-upload kasi nga ang dami ko pang mga yung backlog ba. Kasi ang hilig ko mag-vlog tapos hindi ako nagkaka-time na mag-edit. So kaya nga minsan na pinupuna na ng mga nakanood na bakit late yung vlogs natin. But yeah, sayang naman kung hindi ko rin siya i-upload, guys, kasi documents din naman yun sa mga ganap, diba? So gusto kong i-upload kahit na hindi na siya reels o hindi na siya like bago. Alright, so let's do a shout out. Shout out to Yet Palino, hello. Magdalena Risoles, Delaney Prince, hello. Mercy Narito, Irene Aliperio, Celine Akla, Jenly Beauchamp, Victoria Baptista, Malin Garunay, Oni Bilog, Edelina Ibarra, shout out to Rodel Kimod, Lolo Rodelas, Adelaida Olivar, Maricar Castaneda, George Blackston, and Star Gemini. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye!